Hello everybody, welcome to at NEET Physics by your own video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Ray Optics. This question has been asked in the NEET examination the year 2025. Okay, that's all. In a Saturn camera, a combination of 4 similar thin convex lenses are arranged axially in contact. Okay, in contact. Then the power of the combination and the total magnification in comparison to the power P and magnification M for each lens will be respectively how much? Option A 4P and M power 4, P power 4 and M power 4, 4P and 4M, P power 4 and 4M. These are all the 4 options. You know, what is the formula for power of a lens? Power of a lens P is equal to 1 by F. So here P is the power of each lens, the combination. What is F? F is the focal length of the lens. Okay. So power of the combination is P is equal to 1 by capital F, where capital F is the focal length of the combination. So what is the formula for 1 by F? 1 by capital F is equal to 1 by small f, because F is the focal length of each lens. Because they are similar lenses, is it not? So 1 by F plus 1 by F plus 1 by F plus 1 by F. It means what? What is 1 by F? P. P plus P plus P plus P. That is 4P. So that is the power of the combination is 4P. Okay. So your answer should be either 1 or option 3. Okay. That's all. Then let's calculate the magnification. P is the power of the combination. So total magnification of the combination of lenses is M1 into M2. If there are several lenses, the total magnification is given by M1 into M2 into M3. This is the formula given to you in your book. Okay, that's all. Actually, because the image of the first lens will act as the object for the second lens. In that sense, the magnification goes on increasing in this manner, M1 into M2 into M3. So here, all the 4 lenses are similar, so the magnification of each lens is M, isn't it? So what is the total magnification? M into M into M into M, that is M power 4. So hence the power of the combination is 4P and the total magnification of the combination is M power 4. So option 1 is the right answer. So the question may be simple, but you can answer this question only if you thoroughly go through your book. Okay, that's all. Anyway, the formula is in your book. In that sense, it is somewhat an easy question only. Okay. So we will see one more question from this chapter Ray Optics in our next video. After that, we will discuss questions in the from another chapter. Okay. So till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.